Hi y'all, I just wanted to thank you for 13.6k views. Like, what the heck? And 190 likes in total. They're all in total, don't mind about that. I just want to say thank you very much. Guys. And by the way, I have a new subscriber. Don't mind about the videos. New subscriber, Big Jerk. So 1324. This is the channel. I don't know what it is. Blah blah blah. But let's just go back to my channel. No. Okay. See, like, y'all are so kind. You gave me a bunch of views. I wish I could have been subscribers, but I know I'm not. I'm a small creator. Yeah, it makes sense. 25 comments in total. Guys, four of you shared. Since when? I never got any notifications that you shared. Comment. Wait, I got notifications. So comments. It's now views. Where am I freaking? Someone telling me notifications and likes. Y'all are so kind. I love you. Not like that love you. Like, Is it since when? 45? Okay. More females. Okay, more. Okay, I do live in the United. Bro. Thank you for everything. Thank you for 33 subscribers. Try to make it 100. I'm not trying to beg you to subscribe, but if you want to, you can like and subscribe if you want. Like, how are you supposed to like? Not the video. Just subscribe. I don't know. And that's it.